Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to activate CBD credit card. Start by unboxing the card and locating the activation code on the sticker. Next, visit the issuer's activation page or call the number on the card to begin activation. Have your ID, the card number, and last four of your SSN ready. Complete activation by setting a secure PIN and confirming billing address so transactions process without interruption. Check your email or text for the issuer's verification code and enter it when prompted. If using a mobile app, enable biometric login for added security. Verify your billing address matches the cardholder records to avoid declines and confirm the card status in the app dashboard. If activation fails, contact customer service with the error code and timestamp to resolve the issue quickly. Keep screenshots of steps for reference. After activation, make a small test purchase to confirm the card is live and to verify merchant acceptance. Register the card in your digital wallet if supported for contactless payments and better tracking. Monitor transactions daily for unauthorized charges and set instant alerts for spending thresholds. Keep your physical card stored securely and shred activation materials to protect personal data from fraudsters. Update your issuer app and firmware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.